what is good? So I am going to be talking about another Glade. I actually like this one, not as much as the, what is it called, like warm flannel. It's like a bluish can and it got brown, like a brownish bluish flannel on it. But this is good too. And this is the Glade Spray Lavender and Peach Blossom. You can see I do like some good stuff too. It says it eliminates odors and freshens the air. My experience with this, it has a very light smell to it, if that makes sense. It's not necessarily strong. I did use the spray when I was cleaning out that. I used this, and you can see that I got a little lavender and peach blossom going on. I'm a weak fanatic for lavender, as you know that they got a lot of healthy benefits with lavender, but I mean, it's a smell, and lavender does smell really well. And it says there's up to 7 hours of freshness. What has helped me though for the smell to last, I don't know, I spray more than one thing, so maybe because I like mixing, so maybe that's why I'm not smelling this one. And again, I feel like this is a light scent. What I've done was that I will leave a fan on. This is so weird. I will leave a fan on in the direction where I'm spraying at, so to make sure it doesn't go on like couches or paper or, you know, just anything where I'm like, okay, yeah, it's sitting at, eating, whatever. But I'll have the fan on and I'll spray it, and you know, that smell will go in that direction. It'll kind of spread out, so I'll make sure everything is out of the way. It's weird, but it has helped me for the smell to last a little bit longer. I do feel like, in my opinion, the other one that I mentioned earlier in this video, that it lasts longer than this, but I have no complaints because it smells good as well. I feel like this one isn't a smell that's trying to cover up something, like I keep saying about different smells. It's just that I ain't a big fan of a perfume or air freshener that's trying to cover up a smell instead of smelling good, like you're trying too hard. But the description about this is a fresh, modern takes, updates an old standard from laid back to lively. The scent of relaxing lavender, energizing peach just might inspire you to stay mellow but motivated. And I love that description that they used. And it stimulated the scent of lavender, tangerine, apricot, melon, and the zingy peach joins a capitative sprinkle of violet leaves and white sage. Okay, that's one thing. I'm so glad that I do research sometimes, because if you want to know what sage is, you definitely got to look that up. I'm a big sage user, and I love the fact that it has lavender in it. Lavender, like I said before, it's one of the benefits that says it helps you go to sleep. Another benefit is that when you sniff, like if you have like a real lavender oil, you inhale it, it, you know, alleviates your headache. It puts you in a carefree like state of mind, which I thought was pretty cool. You know, it kind of soothes you and it relieves like stress and anxiety. I believe I read that on another product that I had. But anyway, they have different products with the same scent, like candles, the onyx spray refill. I know it's like a wax. I mean, I think it's I don't know. It's kind of like it comes like a rectangular shape. I don't know what that be considered as a candle. I know definitely they do have the automatic spray, and they have the candle along with it. That's what it's called, wet wax melts. Okay, they got it in wax melts. But yeah, definitely do your research on it. Let me go ahead and go on the back, because I definitely like showing, like, you know, on the back what to do. One thing about me is I love doing research, so you learn something new. I know some people just buy the product, and I'm one of those people sometimes, but if I really want to know what's going on, I'll do some research or want to find something new about the product that I'm using. I mean, I got time, look something up, look it up. Okay. And you know, you just kind of just shake it up. Ooh, stop shaking this camera that much. Okay. And then I kind of do like that, and I kind of smell peach more than anything, though. Yeah, I smell more peach than this anything. I'm glad I sprayed that so I can, tell them, in my opinion, what I'm smelling. Ooh, that smells good. But yeah, this is the Glade Spray Lavender and Peach Blossom.